Hi children, this is Astha Mishra. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Children, we will study chapter 2, a GUI operating system part 6. In part 6 video, we will study normal mode and safe mode, how to switch on and switch off computer, and power modes of a computer. So our first topic is normal mode and safe mode. Children, if we cannot shut down computer properly, so when we turn on a window with many options appeared. See, these two images are there. First one, safe mode is highlighted, and second one is start window normally highlighted. So first one, safe mode. If we click on the safe mode option, Windows will check the computer for errors before loading. Okay, and if we click on the start Windows normally option, Windows will start loading normally without checking for errors. Next, we study how to properly switch on and switch off, means shut down a computer system. To switch on computer, follow these steps. To switch on computer, switch on the main power supply button, switch on the UPS button. To switch on the computer, press the power button of CPU. We will get the welcome screen of Windows 10. Click on the username and enter the password. After entering the password, we will get the desktop. Our desktop screen contains various applications. These pictures are known as icons. Now our next topic is power modes of a computer. Power modes are used to turn off the power of a computer or to switch to a state that use less power when the computer is inactive. So this is the image, shutdown image, and these are the options are given. Means these are the power modes name. Okay. So to access the power modes, place the mouse pointer on the arrow. Next, the shutdown button is start menu. See, this is the start menu. A list of options appears. These are the list of options. Okay. Shutdown. The option close all the programs and turns off your computer system. When you click here, these options will appear. Restart. This option closes all the programs, shut down Windows, and then starts it again. Understood? This option closes all the programs, shut down Windows, and then starts it again. Sleep. Sleep. This option reduces the power used but does not turn off your computer. Hibernate. This option saves your work and turns off the computer. When you turn on the computer, you will return to where you had left your work. After that, these all keywords are given. This is very important. Okay. First one, icon. A small picture seen on the desktop that represent a file, folder, or a software is called an icon. Operating system, a software that controls and manages the different parts of a computer system such as hardware, software and memory is called operating system. Screensaver, a still or moving picture that appears when the computer is kept idle for some time. Start menu, a menu that appears when the start button is clicked. Taskbar, the long bar at the bottom of the desktop. Wallpaper, a picture in the background of the desktop. Now let's recall, this is very important. An operating system manages the working of a computer. There are two types of operating system, CUI operating system and GUI operating system. In CUI operating system, the instructions are given to the computer by typing text, and a GUI operating system, the instructions are given to the computer using a keyboard or a mouse. Microsoft Windows is a GUI operating system. The Windows 7 desktop has different parts: desktop background, icons, taskbar and the start button, etc. The power mode options provide different methods to turn off a computer. That's all for children. Thank you. Have a good day.